If you want your PowerPoint presentation to play on its own and loop continuously without you having to click through each slide, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make an automatic looping PowerPoint in just a few simple steps. This is perfect for digital signage, trade show screens, classroom displays, kiosks, portfolio slideshows, or any presentation that needs to run hands-free. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tips and software tutorials. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and click on the slide you want to edit. Then go up to the Transitions tab at the top of the screen. This is where you control how long each slide stays on screen before moving to the next one. Once you're in the Transitions tab, look for the timing options. You'll want to uncheck on mouse click because that would require manual clicking to move forward. After that, check the box next to After. This tells PowerPoint to automatically advance the slide after a set amount of time. Now enter your preferred timing. A good starting point is 3 to 5 seconds per slide, but you can make it faster or slower depending on how much content is on each slide and how long you want viewers to read it. If your slide has a lot of text, give it a little more time. If it's mostly images or simple visuals, a shorter time can work really well. Once you've chosen your timing, click Apply to All. This is very important because it makes sure the same timing is used across every slide in the presentation. Without applying it to all, only the current slide would change and your loop would not feel smooth and consistent. Next, go over to the Slideshow tab at the top. This section controls how your presentation behaves when it starts playing. Click on Set up Slideshow. A new window will open with several slideshow settings. In that window, look for the option that says Loop continuously until ESC. Check that box. This is the key setting that tells PowerPoint to keep repeating the slideshow over and over again until someone manually stops it by pressing Escape. After that, click OK to save the setting. At this point, your slides are timed and your presentation is set to loop continuously. Now all that's left is to start the slideshow. You can do that by pressing F5 on your keyboard. PowerPoint will launch the slideshow from the beginning, and the slides will automatically advance based on the timing you set earlier. Once the last slide finishes, the presentation will jump right back to the beginning and keep looping again and again. That's it. Your PowerPoint is now set up as an automatic looping slideshow with no extra clicks needed. This is a great way to create professional-looking displays that run on their own. And once you know these steps, you can set it up in just a minute or two. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials like this one. And if you want, I can also show you how to make the loop start automatically when the file opens, or how to export this as a video for even easier playback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.